वेलकम टू माइंड पोर्टल क्यूज वीडियो। इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड पेपर वन कॉमन सिलेबस के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकन फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। As per the Gratuity Act, the declaration of nominee is given in dash form: A. Form K, B. Form I, C. Form F, D. Form D. Answer is C. Form F. The as content is dash in higher quality coal: A. More, B. Less, C. Constant, D. Variable. Answer is B. Less. What is a PPO? A. Pension payment order, B. Performance pay order, C. Perks pay order, D. Production purchase order. Answer is A. Pension payment order. The permissible limit of as in worst coal as per MOEF guideline is dash: A. Less than or equal to 34%, B. Less than 38%, C. Less than 40%, D. Less than 45%. Answer is A. Less than or equal to 34%. An executive apply for VRS if he has completed of service: A. 10 years, B. 20 years, C. 15 years, D. 25 years. Answer is B. 20 years. What should be the number of workmen's inspector in a large UZ mine? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer is C. 3. Hot coke is made by heating cooking coal at dash Celsius temperature in absence of oxygen: A. 500 degrees Celsius, B. 100 degrees Celsius, C. 650 degrees Celsius, D. 1000 to 1100 degrees Celsius. Answer is D. 1000 to 1100 degrees Celsius. Power pack is provided at long wall face to give pressure to: A. Power support, B. Arm flexible conveyor, C. Double in the ranging drum shaft, D. Stage loader. Answer is A. Powered support. What is the common name of methane in underground coal mines? A. Fire dam, B. String dam, C. Black dam, D. White dam. Answer is A. Fire dam. Over 90% of UZ coal production in India comes from: A. Longwall method, B. Hydraulic mining method, C. Board and pillar method, D. Blasting gallery method. Answer is C. Board and pillar method. Which of the following gases are common in underground mines? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. A road in a proper coal seams is called A. Travelling road, B. Gallery, C. Drift, D. Haulage road. Answer is B. Gallery. Name of the type of coke manufactured by heating cooking coal at 650 degrees Celsius temperature in absence of oxygen: A. Soft coke, B. LTC coke, and CIL coke, C. Both, D. Hard coke. Answer is C. Both. The process that sand water mixture in UZ coal depilaring district is called: A. Zigging operation, B. Granting separation operation, C. Stowing method, C. Coal drawing operation. Answer is C. Stowing method. Proximate analysis of coal gives percentage by weight of dash percent in coal: A as, B volatile matter, C fixed carbon, D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. Thick, regular, and flat seams is extremely essential for dash: A hydraulic mining, B long wall mining, C blasting gallery, D board and pillar. Answer is C blasting gallery. Ultimate analysis of coal gas percentage of dash present in coal: A carbon, B hydrogen, C sulfur, D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. Which of the following equipment is very common for open cast and side casting? A shovel, B dozer, C drag line, D payloader. Answer is C drag line. What is correct about bituminous coal? A. Coke can be made from this coal. B. It can be used as domestic fuel. C. It can be used in thermal power plant. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Name of the machine which eliminates drilling, blasting in open cast and has scope for selective mine. A dozer, B shovel, C drag line, D surface miner. Answer is D surface miner.